Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FireStick Max. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and use the BAnime app on your FireStick so you can enjoy unlimited anime series and movies directly on your TV screen. If you are an anime lover and want an easy way to watch your favorite shows without complicated setups, then this video is for you. BAnime is a lightweight and powerful streaming application specially made for anime fans. It offers a huge library of anime content, including popular series, classic titles, and the latest episodes. What makes BAnime stand out from other anime apps is its clean interface, fast performance, and smooth streaming experience. Many apps are filled with ads or confusing menus, but BAnime keeps everything simple and user-friendly, which makes it perfect for FireStick users. Before installing BAnime, make sure your FireStick is connected to the internet and updated to the latest software version. Since BAnime is a third-party application, you will need to enable apps from unknown sources on your FireStick. To do this, go to Settings, then select My Fire TV and open Developer Options. If you do not see Developer Options, go into the About section and click on Fire TV Stick 7 times until you see a message that Developer Options have been enabled. After that, return to the menu, open Developer Options, and allow Downloader to install unknown apps. Once this setting is enabled, go back to the FireStick home screen and open the Downloader app. Downloader allows you to download files directly from the internet onto your FireStick. When the Downloader app opens, click OK to continue and move to the address bar. Using the on-screen keyboard, type in the official BAnime download link and press the Go button. The file will begin downloading, and this may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, a new screen will appear asking you to install the application. Select Install and wait for the process to finish. Once installation is complete, click Done and delete the installation file to free up storage space on your FireStick. This step is important because FireStick devices have limited storage, and deleting unnecessary files helps keep your device running smoothly. Now go to your Apps section and open BAnime for the first time. When the app launches, you will see different categories such as popular anime, latest releases, and trending shows. The layout is simple and easy to understand, even for beginners. You can scroll through the categories or use the search feature to quickly find your favorite anime series or movie. When you select a title, BAnime will show you a list of available episodes and streaming links. Choose any episode and press play to start watching instantly.